morning.
7.9 Kumasi.
Oba, o drop your comment. Na share my friend ya biashe. No me hu baby a wo hwe ye free. Because enano ensuo na started to say me no mienu. Ya me ani amene anya concern about how enema si kwa ebe hadwen pa. Ena eneno no me wo surprise be so the mount. I'll put it that way. And then in the course of the program, no, yes, we have a surprise. Yeah, they be mount. Jumedi yegusu ayekwe nimu. It's wait for it.
Akoma FM 87.
Just wait for it.
Kumasi.
Good. Driver near also so number AS 465-18. Ufra Promase Eba Tech Junction. And okay, you are live. Trotro, one more trotro mutie, minion mamma trotro mu. Also, you're concerned about development costs within your area. Also, you're concerned. Also, money daho. Me say after a net program, no, you would appreciate why. Say, yeah, general important mu ho
87.9 Kumasi.
Because radio, yeah, but radio swa. You better radio so. Yes, you can. Stakeholders are omubuama mpuntu okoso. And a reference, any the okoso wa so this is it. An area ya kan wasem consistently. Ma catch them say, ye nim wofa. Ye nim sewa, me fruba soro hana wutie mi a. Me nim wofa o. Me wi anu afre me na ye di nkomo nua. You get it? But me frustro ha. Enye nuasem. E sometimes you fru ha man crofo send message. Say John, to buase. Assemble nyabotre. And you see the fact of the matter is that ye na se me ade no a eni kwan se koso. Na maboa ma na koso. Na nipa kowu. Na nipa sofa. Ade na menya. Ade pa na menya. E di so obi to office so at your municipal or district or metropolitan assembly. No fam running your juma. I will say hame. I will say hame. Minya prophet
Akoma FM
see eagle eye. I say good morning, Professor John. We show live from Banko Ashanti Ewo Kumawu constituency. And you see, so we shut down where you realize that in Sua no masia and kakra and Efro Kosro. Just close to this building and Ankrofo. So penny American semi. Medical catcher. And Obiani Hoa bet me dispute the fact. Because I'm more for you and him this man. From the MC Ekokosi engineer, our for you Ekokosi not more coordinator, our for you him this man doing this project. And to me, Mrs. Sadat, why you Juma Bebre, I'm Yabona Basu Kruma. But you see, Sani Pano Yajuma Abona Basun, or ye from Swaba, ye catch them. That is why I may. Last time I catch and say, me di kind akko not before how can be biatron because almost sign a jesse or say a reserve area. And Uncle Foko Buato fam, or be a Buato fams or sit down as in swim. This is it. Maka
87.
no yawada. Yes, I see. On Monday, me catch him say, me ti in Crawford frame, and so beto, Crawford frame. And no kwasem, and Crawford frame in ra. Mami kasem went through. You see, we cannot just developer. Untimi sore prekope say o kwakoye development. So be development and what say wo say the panel. Who consider say you go to the assembly. Who could get permit? Permit, no. The process is that your committees are who do or more assembly. Also, Mbabeshe say Jumana Woyeno. Is it in line with the plan of the assembly? Is it in line with the plan of the assembly? Say, I need a plan of the assembly more. I also almost stop the project, you know. In fact, let me tell you that the District Assembly, I will to me say, project I will and 1 year obey demolish it. And to show Ghana Hamrami and San within your development, within your local and decentralization development, yeah, you know. This amra, yeah, Edia to home. And Obi Beshamran and my Piamarana to say, media me fanya she because me interest first. Jerry John also suffer Oshame Ewo Tafo, your father for all. Good morning. And to look at this, Emrani Bini, Local Governance Act 2016, Act 936. Aye, Emra, a boy in our local governance and how our decentralization, yeah, development. Let's establish that. And I'll pay, we are closer to a phone. And now our laptop, you can Google and then read this act.
87.9 Kumasi.
Your Land Use and Spatial Planning Act 2016, Act 925. As I'm sono Abba to complement Emraya in a plan, in a development agenda. That is what Enti say. I also done we see her. I also we kwa her. I also we for her. Jawa mra a chere and see yenye se adwuma no. Your Land Use and Spatial Planning Regulations 2019 LI 2384. You see, so samra we nyina bomua. You can say, I also guide in our plan, in our development, also guiding. But you see, samra we Eddie Oko assemblies are hold on, institutions are hold on, departments are hold on, assemblies CB. You the Spatial Planning Committee, your Physical Planning Development, your Works Department, your Technical Committee. Omunyina no omajuma mu ya ne se obintimi enma permit obintimi nye development abra sa processor ye dey ato ho se request for permit ye beba be inspection ye be inspection we are na fe ye dey report na Akoma committee the special planning committee no uko assembly no a emra no say emra no say the district municipal or the metropolitan chief executive and the chair the committee. Listen well. A municipal, a district, municipal, metropolitan chief executives and a chair this committee. Just on one pet, my whole can say, let's allow Anamian Kasami Pemuno, Mamobi can say, or no and chair committee no. But I'm running on no and a chair committee. Now, what they do is that Sebastian see a permit, see a monitor everything. Committee, no, ever say, Bibia ya come on now. Now, you took Cromo and Crawford, so you fan Crawford. That be a cassa and so you fan Crawford. A ya Juma yen ye, and I'm a sad way about ya can. Now, let's look at it. The composition of the Spatial Planning Committee. So, our committee can once more. Maka said, DCs, MCs, and a chair that committee. Just walk us on pet Bibinti. Now, on no as chairperson, no. Where in the 2 minutes, they are more be said, go and chair the committee. We have the coordinating directors. We have physical planning officers, head of works department, development planning officers, head of road unit, and EPA forward rep. So listen, you're wicked as a country. We have all that. Environmental Protection Agency, your rep from Lands Commission. We have not more rep our this committee. So our committee here, you can watch me. We have a rep on that committee. And you see, there were traditional authorities rep. I was unti. There were him for sunti so hene. Oh, to answer mobi. Near we. Let's see, baby. I didn't kono. Yam prima development koswa. This committee will look at it. scrutinize it and look at it. We can never and ever issue a permit without going through the process. What's yadema? Etiana me yem say obi be defend say baby I mean project no eho ye nsuom. I know say ho ye nsuom, but ho ye nsuom no still an means say me project no yes me will permit no issue I me a developer, I have secured a permit, and for that matter I should be allowed to build. And this is it. This is one thing that in Crawford Kromha developers ekita your permit obekom na engineers, municipal engineers, district engineers, metropolitan engineers are compromise it that we should allow it to go on. Sorry, you see, the project in Koswa. That's the assembly, no. And the project, no. One, say, what's see without permit? Say, baby, I will sit down. Your project, no, unsafe. Baby, I will hear Jumano be strategy public work. Baby, I will hear Jumano a breach the planning and environmental laws. Assembly no whole kind say or yet demolition. But in this country, yatinam yewom yatna si din ama sa niema we nyina akoso.
87.9.
I am making reference to Nra call me nyaye. And now, let me have that video. Any Pamiensa and Ra, they were trapped. Ewo atafwa. And I want you to watch the video. Maybe I saw the video. No, the entire some of us. Ayani enya bre. Ye krani enya bre saying the yaman mra assembly na yama yade mra tum yaman say prevent a disaster from happening. Organization na yaman to me, NADMO. And it's uncle to me say, oh, you should prevent a disaster from occurring. Yabo said to me, yes, and for most times, near break crossing or more. But yeah, you need to be a see a bed demolish project. You need to be a see a bed sick kind. You can't any shaway at a funny Enra Anna Joe Enra so toy. This is it. Watch this one. Where Nipana. Etimo hoda minya call. Say John. Where the boy? Na nipa miensa aka ensuomu.
87.9.
Then I had to call because all my year calls Libya. I had to call. No, say me frɛ. Na fire service for movie. No call rescue. Eventually they did that. So that video no na esum ewo mu kakra na ya fa no to somaye. And we are in this country. Ya wo memu ha. Ya wo krom ha ya hye. Ama development be bre akoso. The assemblies ewo to me. They have that power. Enipa le gina ho no mo hwe yi. Nipa ene gina ho. Ene o mo hwe de ekoso.
87.9 Kumasi.
You see, ordinarily, assembly project because you have that power to inspect. Now, now they will tell you that you need resources. And you know, said they also say, but you see, so what now, ma project ekoso. Na drew baby, and when you ask them, they will tell you. But who ekoso American was me officer no say I where you drew window level yentimi mubu enti no dey oye na juma. He's a fire officer.
Akoma FM
87.9 Kumasi. They will show Facebook says here Nra atafwa police for can see ho no ye pehwan ye ne dan na nkrofo jejira ho enipa miensa maame ekunu oyere ekunu ene ba omaka nsuom nyeso omo nam na nsuo no atwe omo wo mu fie omo te fie ene nsuo no awura ho na atrapi omo. Now when we talk about it, people feel that you're tankrophobia chroma, but you cannot do that. You can't. There is no way you can do that.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And eventually, and fire service for from Bremai, Echo Rescue, send Pami and saying. Now the question is that about the same year drew her. We started from somewhere. Yes, shall see free baby, and a DA about drew baby, a drew ne. It is a wood me, now baby, I want one when you am rare. You see, the technocrats and the politicians, no, or more disappointing, and no more disappointing, and so you ever drew her. Now, how can it happen, say?
87.9 Kumasi.
Yamau to me, say, Obi a project, baby, or yan only permitter, and allow my project in Koso. You bet now have a project in every year, not the Asamaba. Yeah, now coffee assembly abre. And we are in it. Yeah, you know your womb. And yeah, this is what we are seeing. And Crawford, baby, on my project. And it's a way a developer. Now the OG who say, in the case of fire officer, yeah, cannot say me. Also on the or onimode. Into a pija kosro. Now who pija kosro? How many of Crawford or honey to me pija mo dan kosro?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
How many? Unfortunately, most of our MMDCs, they don't even understand that special planning. No, they don't understand. Special planning now, I was say yeah, MMDCs, they do not understand. Na wabi a book na technocrats in the bring so.
87.9.
But you see, once you are able to read and write, you need to appreciate the fact that I also on my economy. You need to appreciate the fact that young koyanim as a mine. But unfortunately, we are here and now no pay. Me catch them on be fraying. The last time I told you, me sim Crawford be for their friends said John and so you fire and I'm panra esi. And your prophets are near there.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I want to come here boy in come. I can't just say them more surprised with the mouth. If we ever come one. Come
Hello.
Now it's saying
Coco.
Is how you have fam?
No, for him to go junction.
Okay. And I mean your call was almost 7. It was almost 7. And I'm friend me say so you fan Crawford and you pack soon. And what are we doing?
Sure.
My intio, who quiet the wako who and in the coso.
Hello.
Kwame mitio pa.
Hello, you see me him to go junction na said the Udi Kaka, you know. Now, because me say and so started around 4 to 5 more and it me etoya kopim be anajo 8. Na Sergeant Oba him to go junction ha. E fa ha nyina meka say omo muti ha na nra obi enu ha otimi da ni fi because enu nso na dia ye addition omo momentum ha na nya sam ketwa. Sisi ya me baye afena mahu se nkofobia omo titi area ha ba bi omo ko da enu anajo no afena omo eba na omo tire se enso bi efa ha ekobo owabinum ya ye fe no swap na bibisa na nso no ma at a time na eto no enti ebufa nkofo fie anope ye ba ye sejon o ba hwe nkofo adan a nso na timi adwiregu ene omo wo sahodo a nso na timi abubu ni nyina egu na enya asam ketwa eno atukura no ewura efia hodo bi ma o hwe ba bi nso no edu edan no ho na meka se fe na yesi dan na nke meka se edulento kra and eno obi enu ha oti eda ni ti omo ne ma nyina afai ano atata no pay afena ebinum aba omu eyiyi omu ne ma afi omu dan because eno nso na ewura enkofo fie no because me say kosi ya kan efie be more than 20 yeah, Saponi Nano, and Tigo Junction, how Omontimi and now Muki. And I'm a manya open back or her. On only fear the CIA, it may turn him now, Ohian so a terminal Yasan Kitwa. Mammy Musan, sir, and my Bassino or your then opening Akma for me. Musa, and I want to meet you. Sena, Unu Busiam. O minimum bushra dem ban say adofobia da Roma and o mobo ayi no ko baby da ntia fe na de acha no pa ye de enye be hwese de fi ni tete in fact e ba ya no de esi wa ha no ini asem bi a ye timi aka nti se mo bi wo ho o bi ofin so bituma boy bi ya no ye be sem na mabo ayi wo se de ayi no de ye ni bi e be ka ye ntimi mfa even school ko ye ntimi mfa mfi ye ho ye ntimi de bituma boy bi ya na ye hwese after time and then so they turn on that more because any say data. Oh, no data. I'm not soon to make the time be a code, my better not there. Man code you the whole day you fear man ko baby and say, yeah, they send me if you can't get this you ano. Then can your papa. If you a boy, how much did be answer? Yeah, and some baby you know what you German so and so that we understand sir almost have a team area has say no, about 1 month years. But the Nipan I want some one also no. In here, more baby, I was thinking. Omo can reach a woman. Ubia, we are okay with you. Even machine no crab at the minute. When I'm half of the money, no. Me, I'm sick and half of money. At the time, no more some bit to meet your community as kind of man. And if I man is really meet my car for because Ubia and I just saw on found say buy, you know. Affect you, Ubia, and it's only what say if you. If you're from one, we use it. And then you pick up a farm machine buy. So, not move for Abaha as well. And no Mubaha. And a pension to woman Eban, Umuba Hanra. And I'm telling them, and you are bringing to know. If the 5 times only be if you know you were still in it, the 5 times only be here, you see for me. Man said them, but not move for any other union, Mubaha and Ranager. We work out after Mufi and Water in our bay, and to initially move to feel the number of so dear Senator, no crime see me dying. Fact. Since you make us let me say this my specific at the friend every year the fly and I'm a boy. You was not just an among any other trends, you know. You make an first to go dancing and I'm a part of that party as an I'm a party back. My new enemy near me, I'm the feeble near the end of the party. Then soon just a little too heavy. Then Yakaka say, if you have the hard in the in a man about and you say, be a new say, I have you say, Bitanka, or the name will be two ideas. Nantisa, near your Hantisa. But before on Sana, at home base, before base, how we say this. And also can't be. Your first near your Hantisa and Friday. Without how we say will be you two who have seen. And a man after Hannes looking near there, a year more. If you have any problem, and you have any problem, say, that's it. I have to say, to say, will be the dance here. And yes, I'm next year. No, who's a quite normal feeling man about and I'm a slope about. When it is say, Omunay mean to me, Cassidy, almost feeling man about so. You no man, but no mean you can't know how to say. So far, no, dear now, bit my emergency, yeah, it's my one. Oh, it's emergency, the new man is just insurance Mutiana. Others will better have the cheerful for a Kahuamaya. Na gata, Kenya gata, Wahanuma, because Omuya Jumani, a kayak. You go move by your house, Jumani, the Biana, Omuba, to see her. Ebe market ha ni ni nke eni eyi di ebe bia nke bi befa tia mo ma ya ha fa ni pe di so mo ya o mo se ya se nka adwuma wo mo ye no ye ka igini ane se ha ya mfa ma na nka so even da bia oba no mo be trust for have the market ha oh if you know ye ni ma de kwenti a e ko ba na sa nti so ni di ebe ye o mbet ma boa ya gata de nke na eyi gata ni free say de ba e bet ma boa ye for now, do any boo and Nipa bed do send a Maya affected. Oh, Nipa no bed 20 houses to the Nina affected, but a bit more. Tell me, I make a sense, maybe more party. So, Sajon, the piano, fear about Kuna, you know, I think, no custom, I feel now. Mount net no for Abaha or more Abaha and Yamasakra. And she said,
catch up, say, not more for Munish, Yoman Namoka. Woman who. Not more for woman is she set pass woman be share kwa woman you see from not original. Me da me fa sentimental original be si fam. E dey no more.
At the all time they know ya because first time be a BC here, mobile number. Almost you need more than you just any other.
So that is it. That is it.
I know.
I just said, your first time and so you family.
Oh, yeah.
It's a problem, no more.
Not
before the baby honor. One more macaba honor. A dear no matimia diabua. Or matimi identify the root cause of Sadiano. Or my catch them the root cause.
David.
Omuntimin kind.
David. I feel no more beginning now, more air into Muka be a new and Kasa. You had a mobile.
What's now for how many years?
Oh, a damn young man said, 10 years, but me name wa Accra. Me buy and bet now, my dear, minimum times the best 6 years. 7 years, 7 years. When you class a bet 7 years, me buy and about a BBC about bet none yet. You see,
and no, says here, we are day. A day now, yeah.
oh, so the American said, because I'm a machine. They are to few if you inside the million civil. And some of them the next year, the first one able to see a good day.
And you know, Nipami and Sana, Omo and Romo can soon. Now I'll give us that video.
And I'm a home, I mean, I'm a
wife now, Bana Mokan soon.
87.9 Kumasi.
So tell us the experience. First time I walk in Zonimuni.
Oh, first time, yeah.
And not to say, tell us. Send an experience now. What kind of Zonimuno? What was the experience?
Oh, maybe I mean, she said, yes, you know, they have me back for my double one. You know, I saw one, then I say, yes, because so Dan and Casa, the Yadi and Yamada Roman, and you Atlantis, you know. You saw one near one idea. Let me think, I want to be a base.
It's no way. At the time, no way.
Yes, to feel in so.
Hey!
I understand not before.
More fracotna. A dam was sealing so.
Yes.
And we understand who ladder or hotter than I said.
You are ladder or hotter. And I'm me were fair and we were inside when we get you on the color the more. Yeah, I need be honor. I don't get to be there. It is a ladder friend who which means the United States as I so. No one for sure.
Tiano na wonam so ne wo yere ene oba no
question yes.
Then normal play with the man say TNG na wo mo de abai.
Omo de abai ni bia.
And why nti wo fro no na wonim say emumu.
Oh, that be.
It must spend how many minutes I was raw?
I was 10 minutes. Almost 2.5 hours cry.
And an almost just raw.
Aye.
And now or more because penny back on a frame. Now on communication here day, what more TM and I say now more the phone and they
no, that phone, phone, no wife phone.
So for hours, now my kadain.
Aye.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Enti mpacho mami musa say na on pai bo nyina ne say.
Me my empire na me bo nyina ne say Nyankopon nya adoma ensuo ne yede. And what the way na ensuo ne si e ba no. Empire na me bo ne say Nyankopon mo ma ensuo ne.
Na nei u kondo pass if you hobet na ho de wa hu. First one. Ah waka da ni mu ni. O fie ho no kondo so bet na ho.
Eh ni me say enipa de so on because they say never rent no as am to so. Eh nya am to so. Na mi titan kra na ma me na mi timi ko ha se ni. Oh, ti bi afie bia me de me fin say asi nya da bia so na e de ba na santi. Empire bo Kenya emwa bi efiri ba bi no mo boa ya. Ni nyina say ensuo mu na efiri ba. Di say ensuo ni ntimi nfanche nfanche ho ma. Problem ni su nyina betwa.
But o feel say mo amasisi da wo ho no moye mfomso. Say be dey amasisi adan no ne ade masisi dan moye mfomso bi.
Oh, David, I've been meaning some
and the data we see no. Okay, so unya permit bibia no permit ni ade bia unya permit ansa na we see dan no.
Aye.
O permit no je wan?
Tell me.
But say ensuo na started to talk na eba ufia. Ade na unya concern so be hu the cause of sade no. E bia obi so na abesi dan si ensuo na no.
Come and count the cause of sade no dey acho.
O se kwan na omo ye nti kwan no kwa na ma sade.
No. Me catch me say ensuo no mutie.
As ensuo no masi.
Akoma FM.
Ensuo na nya ayemu ma. Me na me ka say be man to play ni no. You go find machine by bet eternity and man see. There be amwa. Oh, because of scan no mo je ni ntini yanti na fanya nsanke nya machine see be 3 days. And it's my adwuma na ye kama bet. Yanti ni anya say scan no.
No, kwaji scan no, o kwaji machine wo e wo hefa.
No, machine here quarantine also full up.
Now can more rent it from a private person.
Yes.
And I'm so
me no say and day no. Oba day na also obeje 110. Oh.
Say
110.
11,000 Ghana cedis.
11,000. Yes, they day, yes. It's 11,000 no kra no. Nipa kakra bi na boaye. If you need 5,000, if you na me 6,000. A source which I up to now, I won't take a current for man.
Wow. But I check how many months ni?
Almost 1 month. 1 month.
Oh, okay. Not just say now more year ahead of insuone tono. And to ban away, Obana is here away no wife or more.
I am more. I can't do it in a man in a washroom.
You see, I can say, Mubia say.
Anyway, it's my first figure. You do anyway, the documents you do anyway, it's my first you free them. Yeah, I didn't say you've been a better figure.
So, but your mammy Musa said, what is the next step? And I'm over now, because I would only I want more Macau almost so at die. Mwaja padi access na na mobe na mutu mami me musa no na ye
no so na mo ye tunu ni na no say ye bomb fire say insuo no say ka me person me papa machine ba na insuo na aka we inside no ye twi insuo no ma ba out insuo ni fi out wo ba e hu say ni na e bit na yi twi we na ba bon tini na yi twi wa e na be ma ye hu say CBN no kwa e bit na we inside ada wo na say e bi so nti we so insuo ni fi answer somebody or some more.
And per the penny for council and in the four can so no nebre mu ani o.
Aye.
Any came in penny for nim come can be try mo dey na mo hwe free on ho. Ka try mo.
Okay, me penny for the any ki hia think the benya machine amana be see aha. Because the penny was near the solve problem ni na but the penny ntimi. Omo be ya kwan nyina kwa even ya nimu ha. The Pia no more the Ayubesia, Martin, the Pia, the Sake, at the market, we so we are fine, come back that for craft anymore. Omuba engineer and said, Edma demand and the hand county, man yet. Oh, man yet, man, you think I got no crap that hand, that boy, man yet, am I? You need the America, Amana Associated here. Can be immediate America to see.
I'm a reporter, in Casa.
Okay. Well,
Mame. Nti not before na bedru.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Omo yes enche adwuma bi asa de ye.
Omo yes enche adwuma say. Omo twa pictures.
So the yeah ba ye na.
Okay. That's the question. So omo kwen den. Omo kwa kwen den.
So because Oba, no kwasem ni se afekwa na ibi mu kura ehihye omodan yo na ibre adwegu ke ba kokura de utu se enu kura de se jo nipa no ba aje osan twa bro to na osan hihye dan fofo
Akoma FM
omo afe no mo si omo de
afekwa na obi hihye na bo nsan wa hase
and you closer to nsuo no nso
so jo ade e won kakra because baby a isi a me jire amena no ho pɛɛ na gyina no obi to asi efi asi amena no ho pɛɛ and me hu ne sɛ akora machine ba sɛ ebi a ɔmo ba bɛte ma ɛdan bi wɔ hɔ agye ɔmo dwiri gu so ɔhwɛ baabi a ɛdan bi sisi no baabi amena no da na ebi wɔ hɔ a wɔsi ɛyɛ amena no nkyɛn pɛɛ nti ɛba saa na ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛn mu agye ɔmo dwiri saa ɛdan no nyinaa no ɛde gu and me hu sɛ saa ɛdan no sisi hɔ na ama nsuo no kora nya kwan a ɛntwam ɛno anadwo no
ɛna obusa papa ya ɔnka no kora nkyerɛw ba wo nsɛmtwerɛni deɛ wahu na woka krɔfo esi dan bɛn nsuo no nyɛ saa ɛno bɛtumi aka ho bi ɛna ama nsuo no baabi a wɔsɛ nka bɛtae baabi a wɔsɛ nka nsuo no ebufa so anka bɛtumi atae no that's it
ɛne ne wo a wato nyinaa no amena no ho pɛɛ
Kwame me da se ye besa ba ho wo de send that before na ba monitor mo na no mu ni nkomo de on ba be why
omo de ko ma san ko se jon omo ba omo fa hwe ama
no sa na no me ko ka ba ku bi e ko so ba bi ho asem krofo buoi wo mo nti ase krofo buoi
se jon omo be jejina ha twetwa pictures ni bi omo ko
eno ano be eno a de o metima ya no omu ni hwe jai omu ni hwe esi a wo frɛ regional nadmo director obeka jo say ka kra fu okrom begu kan kra no mu ni fu eno ti na de ka say yem prevent it because esi a it will be difficult to betima ye and look at this any edan no ni edan no na wo hwe so na wuram nkrofo so gusu si emra wo ho a omodi be ya adwuma enso binom a compromise omote ho Kwame yebe saba ho bi why
okay
amjafo ho ye Tigo Junction ohwim that stretch atafoa na ye hu
Akoma FM
hwe se e Marfo stores ni ade na obi na akọ sesa ade no obi anke atimu wie masala no ka ba bia beti aduru no ka sela nsuo no da so a mene nkrofo ama de sei nipa miensa o se ceiling so na no mote na nyame amam Ghana man Ghana nyame nko aman nyankopa amamu na ceiling ni buye na tem keno ano no and then care report se nipa miensa nsuo afom omu fie o man pia nko ba bi so o makọ ni nsuo afom omu tre omu me ofa PV Jantua that sin wa homa so ofa ma chen
yeah John me go so
nkoma wo so obi ka
87
John very good John
ofa
hello yeah no kwani nyame ni ene ne de ko so ikuma so no ha ne Ghana mem ha John itwayi won ibi ni se wo ka se fire service ni bi ko shi dan esi nsuo mi
oh yes
the minimum akwa ade wato ni obi na so ni ya obi a gine ya se o shi dan ni wi a ni ntini nyane hwe so John have a personal experience ofa ayi atuma techiman once na ye fẹ́ baby sawmill baby ana no mo ye kwa na ba wo fẹ́ wo sawmill no na ofi ba ku shi na ho na mo mani na sawmill fi ni me chipe storm bi da ye chiwo asa ka kana da ho no ni da na bere ni obi akushi dan bi wo akire ho kan ni ma si sa kwa se nsu to a ye na be no yeah, a share common sense wall. There was a loop between the two of us. Wafa loop no, e dey si dan aka won dia. Sejo, ene mana e koso han. The assembly so we find you be so say e dey na omo ye.
Akoma FM 87.9.
You get to say omo ye omo ni resources na omo bit my. But at least so what you improvise ene ma omo wa e bit ma bo. Sejon eye den na me Ghana baby a Ghana ya se be we say me bi agree you can issue a building permit edima obi se on sidan wa bra the local assemblyman or t area hono we dey mo hwe Sejon we go see the area one is holding responsible
say assembly no The assemblyman account.
When changing your name, and then you bet my say you be issue a friend a building permitter. The process in the first step should step in the local assemblyman's office. I will see provide the assemblyman with a layout. The real assemblyman will not layout. There be a yacht say high square assassin, higher waterway, higher coin, higher win now. A local assemblyman home. When he told assassin, we are. Okwanwa 4th Street, plot 4, block 2. Now, assemblyman the allocation aqua a higher issue, a higher square assassin, a higher market, a higher Yabana, a jato, a going to mean Tom. So that's a section we can hold the assemblyman responsible. Ya approve building permit, there should be a portion. I also say about assemblyman, Roman science, and a circle back to account and counting planning. We need to check assemblyman where you are worth with or building permit. We need building permit. So, yes, and maybe say,
now, if I say assembly members need to compromise you because I know areas be assembly members no, and then the assembly can engineers can't boom. You better have more advisors. And the amount of more complaining say, and then now assembly members and mom are advisors because of them they watch.
Yes, it is because you said that my own rubia with regards to the mission. You changing them. I said, no, send us some special plan and once a year. Kenya will be on Pese, woman person. They don't. Your tears are really school assassin. Your tears are really Juma assassin. Your tears are really hospital assassin. And then we can coach the business activity as I go in. And then, because special planning now, you just thank human area. I never did a bois, Emma, the primary and tertiary drain was in the yellow area. And look at me because you really didn't say baby, you didn't say baby. Then you quit. You know, you will be. And in school, I see our kind of PPP. You have to fence wall. I might be 2 fence walls. And you know, you have 2 fence walls. I will be a Kotonka, will be at the white. Why? Don't. Many friends in Nani block me. If don't, when we are airport in the NDP, the slow with the Abia game, only more practice. The difference you can by Naya, come on, from a brand, a slow more. Woman innovative, woman creative. Woman area for an assembly man, any engagement. Woman have problems in your area. Listen to one bit much because they have the powers. We don't have a track and this will be in the view.
87.9.
I was a ceiling so.
What did you see so?
Ah, yes.
Share a friend a coupon. Roman for teaching the bush and a call a sale. And so be the how they don't make us say about which why you say, or correct regional because I'm correct to say that in some position. A fabric, and correct Mukusco part. You might would diablo in Sulafu. You're a bit of a challenge, but the challenge is the same. Yeah, this is a film. You do and yes, you are dining qua. Woman, she pan welfare. No more give you money. It Nippon can make some contributions to augment the almost work. You know, Uber get to see the your friends at a for a Sabri. Sabri and Susan will be in the
Aye.
and in man Sabri so Abaya and can name and pay. Yes, and
oh, sir, before that, now Nipa shall see you. Oh, when Disabi can Nipa.
But I mean, yes, you know, assembly Marfo, yeah, and liberty. You're more authority, you're more responsibility. Yes, specific funding. One bit in their career, and you see, almost more than money, but you see people are almost diverse friends and skills are one bit in their woman. Then I did.
Over. Yeah, that's the no pay for also input. Thank you. But for Alpha PV Jantran in Kano. Now, Dave, Allah, so I say good morning, Sir John. Oh, my Ghana. Or say Safo Albert, or see a leader, a hypocrite in this country. And we don't need to vote. Need answer no. Now, Puma say, Ebazikum.
87.9 Kuma.
Ebazikum. Machi.
Me Joso Opomai and me bano. Na okay, also on yeme until Wafakalo, but a morning I say, me wina me sorry, obesimechi. Because me nchi usimechi, me baby siwechi.
There's a one who can be there. Who can be there for no one.
Dabi. We about treating and so me so and me no want to come, me no want to come. Me busa no say nyamia.
And I'm saying you.
And nyamia on manu si ha ta nyamia. Because me usimechi me baby sinechi. Sadon. Me tia also strong hene. Nyame oni edini ye pa ntoluman wo hwe yen ye de ye hu nanso so ye filiw enti ye chia pa oluman nyame na me kana asem
Oluman nyame na ne eka
Opoman tobo ase
honorable
na bi da bi
Adam me frɛ wan kan
nyabotre
me
Opoman tobo ase
okonkran call ayi asante achimbae the comment be for bi na obo Oluman din ni sika ba na ni refi Oluman esa ave na kai Oluman nya de
Akoma 87.9 Kuma.
Sado
yes
and a birthday kese pa ho ne be ka ho asem
birthday kase
yeah ai
okay
yeah anka say nu Ali Baba dan Kambari be ka ho asem
na say what can we
yes Sado
what can we yes
afeni aba for meba so ana obi ni person
oh yeah no I mean
okay afeni aba for ye ba no ye be chia ye papa Reverend Omono
yes.
ni mama na ya chia na na mo hene afeni akuwie ewo eye PV Jantua Sejon papa ba kwa ya ade a abro madwene menti ase so
Akoma FM.
Professor
87.9
Yeah.
Kuma.
Legacy Hospital
yeah
prof look enra me dwene ho the whole night ade papa say papa no be jai consulting room say me ba be hwemo
yes.
na de bia metie mo me ba na ma be hwemo ma be hwe nipa kro amoye
if that's why lecturers
why lecturer yes say wo ba no be hwemo but unim ye be ka ne ho asem pa yie na say John
yes
ene Ghana Akoma ifradum mu kwa dum unse media general hyehyeye no ye fa wa o ya kola
87.9 Kuma.
ye hwewa ma usififi du level bi a ye do kɔ no akoye course so de ase ye kɔ no akoye course unse ye kɔ prum wi afi no so ye sa de waba no waba besom
yes
akora ba akwa ye fa no ye hwe no a kakra ye wie ameka masem ye pani no tie me pani so de ase udi bi ato
pani so a so ko asem ye
media general mu kra so me pani
me ti ko asem ye
ti ya no very
akwada bi ani fi ha
ya no very careful
ti me pese me chiro se kan asem ye na akwada bi ani fi ha
bit me abedi madim na me che ye de be ye so de aha
but we careful na akwada bi ani fi ha
eti ye ko anya ko prum ukokos no aba na wabeto aso yenua pa JB obesom ya bidi kan catch say media general ye media general ye ma krata na ya catch say baby epebi betimi do wato enti ye mre biduru ya na o say de ne konkran na ne sokoto asom no ho isi nkran de no wawie wasaba beto aso e wa ha sei enti say John ye metiefo aswati say
87.9
now ye beefy up omo ankasa bibia JB is back with the team here
yes
abeboa na
enti
my puntuo ne Ghana puntuo no so eno so ya pijam
yes
to another level
enti JB wa ha no pe
yes
JB wa ha
enti
menim say Ibrahim Beckham bibia na say was officially
yes
wo na also man akwa ba
etina me be say me nwi na wo still see me here
and there be say
enti tobo I mean yes enti JB yama akwaba the JB there onye new yes ona say oni baby akọ oni baby akọ yes wala bi obi anya akonya ma obi a eni JB yama akwaba kwanso kokra
enti mina na afrɛ me akwala no
we are ban from a move.
Oh yes, but I mean,
let's say also friend akwada won from.
Yes.
Baba ka say akwada bi ani fi ha.
Makacho say we no see ye kasa with structures.
The structures. Baby, it structures be any. Oh, your manager, who near grow. Now, no, okay, the mammy chat you for you.
Yes. Akwaba, Jabutrans and way now. 1 year, Sam.
No, he the main, I'm chairman in Kwanzaa.
No, how much way now?
Why? Now, may you are no accordingly.
Yamu Akwaba. Eddie Baba, yes, I mean, Ghana Akoma, a platform that you know. And yet, a crown also, yes, more Akwaba can see because how you feel. Wow, you feel how you know the army assign a CBU. And but here for Akwaba.
Yeah, so I mean, it's so refreshing. Say, Masayaba. Yes. And of course, baby, Ghana Druno. Edu tembi so kata weni unuanu mu wom ebinu mu wohwe adwen na nkoyi nyema bi wo hodo mu emfa mo hihye bi wo hodo mu emfa utumi say still na baby ani yegina 10 years ago no ye improve ye nsisaye bi amam e na akwakoye politics as usual e na akwakoye friend say parties and same as usual internal parties same. Yes.
Yeah, allow me not.
Yeah, woman to mu. And I did this. Na ye niema. I said that you to me catch that manufo say mo. And niema mu ye yes and say mo ye no. But then party political affiliation, party interest, any individual interest in tea. Most of the things you to me effectively a sinker. And then nama see you go so ye kasa nanka so de. Nanka so you for be nanka. Enya asibi se na kebet na hanom ne ka na kai it is an extreme case. But be no ka say sa de nya de to betwa ye ma ye hu 30 years kra ya de to betwa eto ntwa because sebe we are not thinking outside the box, we are not thinking beyond 1 year. Ye de adwini na akwakoye say who becomes the next flag bearer, who becomes the next member of parliament, who becomes the next assembly member, and ye this our party some fun sa ye de tete hadum say ya
to be protected.
Ye be kwa na yase aba. But you still be marking time. Now, before I met to us, my mini kind, me never knew Alabama, offer say. More name Alabama, offer so your friend if I see what your friend Alabama offer say.
No, a true
Roma Alabama. Now, I did papa no offer. Eddie Jan your laptop access. Our laptop be no use no that no. Anyway, why does it be that Jan and the Amano? But the Jack was say how to use to be. Oh, Jack was how to use to be. Be that Jan and the Amano. Laptop to be. Eti how to say I'm playing down where baby it is see and oh your manager, oh your normal person to send me. Now no be a baby watch how to say ya kwa so post no post ni. Me na ma say watch me. Na be say my head also my cause danger to Fred say ekwan no. And I asked what kind of danger? Ya kasa ya na kwa no bufu ye no keka na adwene am so bubo ma adwene no simple. Me see African na me bubo ma adwene no simple. Later I make tell so your here na me say na wo ho tu fo gina kwa ho a order traffic da. Asa me kan tell you. Wo also tu fo gina kwa ho direct traffic. Ebia na baby a wo we konya no se be produce me mu anim tia de. Baby na baby a wo we enye position bi abetumi aka so de ahonfo ahode tu hu bi akese bi ama a che so bi asa. What I say? Ebi ni oyi. Ebi ni oti hard war yi. Some produce. Some produce. Yeah, who say you ra?
Is it Crawford who say?
Afusro.
Aba. When you press aha, on say. Aha, when you press aha, fire. They say you no so. But me talk about say me dinanche.
Oh yeah, new try.
Yeah.
Is how she vivu.
It's really heavy. Because who are there in here? Man Crawford to me fresh. Na even see kumi anu anything. And it is good. When you say going forward, therefore we are coming to serve, said the Yesumono.
Yeah.
Sa ni ebe koso asum o my Ghana. Asuma santeman. Nti Say who said team. Let's say mpanyinfo so team no yɛmfa number 9 mehyɛ ha
87.9
na
Kumasi.
ɛna no asa for G League we sure pass it ɛnura no mo gye yɛ ai we Arsenal ni ana
Definitely. But this year they na me sympathize am na Oma bre 22 years.
22 years. Nti Arsenal for G League omu wi am se da bi still na no say yetimi maintain your position. Nti next year Arsenal G League dey but obekọ so argument squad no. Nti that's how we do it. Nti no menu ya mo akwaba. Ambitious ejama for so mo akwaba on Facebook.
Me jesu.
Ochirikrum. But
Sir John,
so on this one,
yes, quick one. Me were interested because I hear back and forth for a very long time. Also, if I is the for Recruitment, I say Atafua,
under
KME.
Yes, under KME.
Under KME. Okay. Me pacho. When I walk hand, must say, yeah, KME, you're paying in Zuba, right? So no email. Okay. Me buy me who are the back pay.
Okay.
Me de be bona baso. And on this what penti KME Fred said dino.
Okay.
Yeah, that is what I have seen.
Okay.
So a penti KME I mean building in now.
Okay.
Apart from that, Mimiano Kade Bakwa Zuba ye okrum had mun facture.
Oh, manage waste.
Manage day.
Or manage waste.
What is the end result of the waste?
Waste and end result of
that waste no managing. What is the end result? Some kaya tin na kaya ti na kaya hu ne ye hu. What did it got him? O prapra amonte so ne ade na sefo yi na yes but who we are the root cause of so flood na and na kaya the waste na we will not see what we are saying na kaya tin the yeti na make am mean so what you say it is o manage waste na say o manage ni ye at the with the right approach
yeah.
You will end up getting a failed result. Me dem me see me ni ha matu kwan maba eno na mbedru ye me dem see me hu ade ba akopɛ eno ne say what paint KME building no efe with a Santa colors white and a Santa colors nina. Apart from that, tell me one single thing 1 year on 1 year and over ka ade ba ko kire me azuba oh ye KME boss why no krom ha no mu say ya yes something that obetumi do say su buaka say we oh ye dey permanent. There was a time ni na work yet news ni bi o ka say so oba be ye di congestion na say ya ma ne kwan a obetam ma e dia bo ma no me bo as
yes
e ko si say di congestion exercise ye hu niam o ye di congestion na and then circle the same place where you di congestion. What is happening there? Baby, where the congestion exercise no circle the same place na find out to say dey na si wo hodomo e ko fo no pa mo free hodomo na are they not still there? The no the congestion exercise no. Was it just for the cameras? No, my cameras now who say Juma and my the minister and the president who say Juma na say. And then you say go to the same place. Baby crona the congestion exercise na baby crona our time soldier for the one achi. Or time police for any party faithfuls bodyguards for did you any day na or the course our place now. Of course say for niema and then said it was in the good course no. And the DNSC. And it's that same person, DNSC. And then you know kwa. Elia now for recruit. The same place now for recruit. I hear say he's doing a fantastic job near there. Yes, me we are there meka. But why you need so be fit say catch to. Who be say for recruit MC in say the drip machines in the way. And also boy who story say that. Say drip machine na say akonya kwanhia meboa akonya kwanhia no dia na ma no kokonya kwanhia as see enne in a critical time a critical moment like this ne here drip machine na be dredge ne drip machine ho abanfa so no enne ye say hwe drip machines na yehu na kwabna ne say okwa rent machine worth about 110,000 Ghana cedis abra me wo bi ana meboa other districts the neighboring districts came me ni biana e di adwuma no mo de ye now at the end of the day over serving the interest of the people not the interest of the people no so anko ye ade bi e betumi ama ama ato Akoma so na tumi aye adwuma yi a, then what kind of interest are you serving?
Akoma FM 87.9.
It ofori krom MC. Say ya na yebete. You should know. Say most of the politicians na kasa no adwepapa ni wotrim. Most politicians adwepapa ni wotrim. Omo twen say asem beto. Na asem to na say ye critical na adwane aba beto. Oh, enra de yante asem de fa che yen. Na ese bi nsi bi. Sometimes na be hu say somebody is pretending to be working. Samre no. And I be so be ashada so oye adwuma or pretend say oye adwuma krokro the job no kono but ade eche so na so refia no it assets. It has been the same politics ekoso Ghana ha no say. I don't know one final example na me sorry. Now no last I think last 2 years. Na mo fie ha. You record say jima and na MC e wo asokwa. Asemi si wo ho no mo. One of the 8 is a planning committee or something. We issue permits at the man for.
Yeah.
And the permit at the Kokoma will be now the permit wasn't recorded in the books of the assembly. As well as you scared.
What you did?
Akoma be permit. So Koko said that essence room. But not permit now the money per crown. It wasn't recorded in the books of the assembly.
Akoma
FM 7.9. Yeah, contemplate say as to permit na your original and I say your original. Your authentic and I say your authentic. Yeah, Koko ye ni na wie na your no akasa ne hu nipa. Our assembly ho no mu bia. Oye technocrat ye nim say na kono de onim de na dwum da ho betumi aye adwuma ni yi. Ye de hwetre sam. E na de no Koko ku ye. Na nipa kron na wokotwe sika se opɛ bra bi abotu okokwesi ne dan na daachi bi wanya baby papa de ti ato no na sa nipa kron no okokwe victim of a circumstance.
Exactly.
And that is what is happening in most of the places. Ya be ma kwai yesi kokwesi dan isi ya kwesi dan isi ya there is no single edan obesi no okrom ha no mu say and even across the country seven predecessor assembly enya aware.
Assembly should be aware.
The assembly should be aware.
Yeah.
Na na seven predecessor not before no na I don't know. Maybe a some they should review it because not bo etimi kokobu will be die without the notice or without the approval from the assembly.
Yeah, of course. The assembly no na e what to me mra no man
exactly.
Ama that power see him.
It who assembly no almost die now way. Ni party to foundation now way. Does it mean that no member from the assembly never saw any project or anything whatsoever? This is what we are talking about. Good governance is something that it should be on check. And it's not about casa, it's not about rhetoric, it's not about doing something for the cameras. Because MMDC is paying for they are doing things for the cameras. And and then they can't do it, they will not do it. But at the time, to me, it's so poor my politician. Se tumi bi won hora so peso oya ne ma bi won so peso oya onye obetwen ohia tumi afiri mi ho no mo a odi bi kama ba ho no ba ba ne wo se ne oya bibi just to represent something then in the end
yes
na akwakoye is a fufuro
right
so that is it but very unfortunate
very unfortunate me da se pa anti so for JB na won tin nka no Evans ma memra wo ho na also so NTO this discussion. You know where we started from.
Yes. Time ameba no na we say what can sembinti we prophet. Okay, let me correct you. You probably meant to say we are clairvoyant, okay. But you're prophet.
Mati.
Because prophet ayobia Nyankopon asuma
Akoma 87.9.
Men try name pushy ohun koshe baby na me D4 atrofo sene D4 atrofo no D4 atrofo adoso no ye try see be yi o ma free system ni mu no me ka ho na no mess no enoso enti eno ye baako. Now the second one has to do with asemwa yi kan ye same kan ye about
digital
and
footprint.
How yes, Sir John, strike me pa just 1 minute. When him strike me say there are a microphobia why say
87.9
have the deny almost a lot of opportunities because of a crime of faso social media edijuma, including journalists newbie.
Yeah.
Sir John. And nina politicians in the territory. Politicians no be in the territory. But those people no be on territory no. Omo man yesa. Omo busu ni bi anyesa. But they will give you at most journalists assume mu do crack akra no. One must kake see pa na 10,000. Ebia. It is almost 10,000. Now sell life forever. Minya eno na wope. There are certain people omuntimi piano jo. Obi o upie obetwitwa nani saa atsakotre because onim nipa odi na chi. But nipa ono ehye wachi a wo sponsor wo no. At any given point in time, look, for all you know, His Excellency the President of the Republic will be timi anante anase nanse kura ihu no. Sometimes with me ra bia those social events no. So there's will be timi ura bia ohia the bodyguards bia. But there are some certain crophobia. Untimi ura ho
87.9
ana ura ho kura no a one here untimi spend be 1 hour also nye public figure because of one kasabia nime bia waye nime bia waka it you are thinking about your security men koye say sikani no wuska so ye tua no your friend say sugar ye tua no bibia ma siska no ntimi ni tinkrofo ni diska na ma no obi also isikani but esan the way waye wabone bra na watoto ne niam yi enti odi bibia or enjoy enti dia same kan no yemfa nkwa adwudwumu pa na yentu ya namo yi esan semren bibiri ne way ni so dia say wungu ya unim de obenya nemum so obeye bibi na obi sebe ondwene no agye okra firi unsam ana waye bibia maneti ana wobusua de sebe yese ubedware aboa tromo ana se obekwa kuku aboa tromo na wakudware sasamo de ugya ne mane de ne gentle na mkwaya so Sir John when you are Sasadru me that say Sir John,
yeah,
having said all this as me preamble, Sir John yatina fi haka bibri about say
Akoma FM 87.9
flooding any ekwan a yefa so a ye nkrochi and as ye sit down will soon. Sir John, to be very honest with you, my share KJTR in recent times. Recently, I was saying it. God is my witness. I think, sir, Zuba Yibi. Honestly. Because when him recently, Nancy Subrani Bitoy, baby ordinarily ne flooded. No creba coupe. A home flooded within the Kumasi Metro. And you credit him for that.
87.9 Kumasi.
Yes, there are other areas, sir. KMA Atusini, we can speak to it. But say a casa, ye kappa for, and if we are talking about flooding, anyhow, the metro has been managed in recent times. Yeah. Then I think say, oh, and yes, when you're 100%. But say me money maxa in terms of waste management, any other stuff. Any all the challenges are in him. My money base 60%, and I'm going to explain to you why. And then say
87.9
Uti landfill site. The central government, because when you are say currently Uti project no a go beyond KMA, a go beyond the RCC, because it cannot move here no 2-3 days ago, me de data ne bro say assembly. In fact, district assembly cannot spend over 500,000.
Yeah.
Municipal, metro but metro cannot spend beyond 1 million. RCC cannot spend beyond 10 million Ghana cedis. Say, she cannot hit that threshold. It was some refer to the central government. And Oti landfill site, creating another cell, we understand, say, they need in an excess of 6 million euros. That means a central government, so baby Adruno, we need the central government, and for that matter, to force more, the Ministry for Local Government and Rural Development, the Ministry of Water and Sanitation, and the Ministry of Western Housing to come in almost our ministry way, include the finance ministry, and also almost kaboom. No metimia solve uti landfill site until so metimia addressing that problem. No, we continue to have that problem because say almost package it ho. Now ome enya baby a homo de bekwa omo praise more. And I say people will find their own means of managing waste aside their KMAI, you know. So that is the problem now. Currently, that is the problem. It is saying na yedi anu tum dia. Nani ose yedi anu tum se yeni came in sinchen. Yeni RCC in sinchen. Said ye pay interchanger ye catch rabbi no. And a central government no. Omra. Na Otilan field site no. Yenya hu bibi ani manimu ya. Because we currently we are not having any efficient or effective recycling plant here. Yet the tons of garbage now. Yes, sir.
Yobi.
I'm coming.
Once we have it.
No. I use a word.
Okay.
I use a word.
Okay.
I use a keyword.
Okay.
Mekasa ya to boniti me. Because when I'm talking, I am very measured. And my words or my sentence construction are well structured.
Okay.
I use the word effective, and that's the key word.
Okay.
So it doesn't mean say be a nibi, but that word key word, you know, and no should effective. Effective doesn't mean say be ho.
Okay.
It be ho, but the capacity no, it drew tons on one. How many tons of garbage can it process? And how many tons of garbage are we generating from KMA, from Asokwa Municipal Assembly, from the other district, rely on Uti landfill site? Exactly what I'm talking about. It is a beer, yet the 500,000 tons of garbage in the free greater Kumasi, Echo Uti landfill site. Na say ye war a recycle plant to ho, nebetimia generate only 100,000 tons. What happens to the 400,000 tons? That is what I'm talking about here. So, may I believe, say, baby, I didn't drew no. Let's go beyond the KMA. Let's go beyond the assemblies because already it has been established. Say, assembly no one in threshold. And waste management is very expensive.
Very.
One him, me diwe na me I be abem. Kwabre, Victor Han kamema na bem no kwa beka kwabre asem. Mamponten. Na and that was between 2010 2012 and I need to follow that particular story no na bother be egu that time na idisa and na the municipal chief executive for Kwabre East Mamponten there be akwa na idisa esu ni akoye story ni aye story ni ekete na Evans it is a same family DDF nyina nkotu bola and DDF no ko di kotu sa bola de kura no a sound so because DDF no ready no but in trenches. Sometimes Kranibia say it be 100,000 crown for first tranche in the first quarter. I buy no central government me the move 50,000 awarded contract. Near baby two ball who meanwhile Krana a friend is away a district to crown here ball and it in toilet. District to crown here toilet near the 50 PR bro.
Okay.
50 no outside betche. And I've told you about the exigencies of the various sectors of the economy. Health genedie, education genedie, wage genedie. So they say, we have a problem. Yeah, we genuine problem one. Sometimes we just have to decouple the political figure and then face reality.
Right. Me that say pa fatala no esusu hia pa. E de kan ye wura tuntum bewe ntina fatala nso ho. Eno na ode bu akum tuntum. Your coil and your wall spray. Tinina Kambum and ye de Kutia and Tuntum. Any more can you answer so ha dream with fear a day a 2 months. Tibomadi so benya fatala and be fatala. Yes, who here pa Minia Puma Becacho said, until my give Fenia grow. Until my go find a fatala, said here. Nidian Puno afa on Chima, Grantibomadi is also when be Ura shop also pe fatala. Why? Na offer number na ne mpanifo di nkɔmɔ na opɛ bi atɔ a ɔmbɛboa amansa ka bi 0599
87.9
315600. 0599 315600. Ibrahim.
Sir John.
Me no nyina no say background nyina ya yepo. Say you the same background there.
Sir John.
Yeah, baby, tini de ehu no. Ebi ana yes, I mean
Sir John me na ene ye betina ananka omo ka se baby am flood ko anka be me wawa. The way ansuo ni toy no na ye expect. In fact, unim say new road Asqua new road from Asqua to Anaka Junction. No, also flood. New road in a flood there. Fortunately for me, before me be free office. And yeah, former colleague said, name is Omuka Chemo, and who try video send the man. Or have flood then I am because 2 days ago I'm many entry a far on so talk a crano. You drew on now or have flood. Na me wan say new road me fa won ma me hu nsuo say apparently un say drainage na ye won chen no em say mu asi enti nsuo no entimi enya access enya free flow enti esi ano nsuo to a new road eno nso abedane another issue enti eno amankofa o mekofa obi na mekofa so bolo kwan no e bai and yanhwe anye hu bibia se jo hun se road di enim nsuo ejina so cha na ese no nso at the same spot ukoya na no begu so ase ya enti minim baby hun se new road na between Asqua ne Oforikrom but baby esi poti no minim se wo Oforikrom ho se wa Asqua o but me sure say MC a we in charge ya shubu unya tra
said ultra sa gas filling station e wo no
untra gas filling station
if you hoko nyina ye Oforikrom
okay before we do gas fill unse fuel station near me ultra first one na
na ha so
enti
e wo fi ha ya
ye best ro mo nhwe na ye hu bibi
e wa sopa
and Asqua okay
yes Asqua ayi na AMC
amokame and so tie I best one environmental for no yentu ana mo menu so sa kwan ne de under highway but assembly ne de say ye be ye no e wo say yetimi say John atafua je bi kan me say o say after 30 years you baba betena say aka the same flooding issue and me sure say e bejai me na me tie papa na one ne di nkomo no o say o ye bompa ye nyame enye bibia na o say problem bia na o say this one nyame o say do nyame no kra me sure say sometimes we are because you see nyame why bibia structures one follow structures na there is nothing God can do for you nyame want me because they are blocking waterway nyame na na bo nsuo no nsuo no nso hia kwan atwam enti say are blocking waterway na afa na eto ye twen ye nyame beye ye bompa ye say nsuo to at this time around em flood ya say do na emfa we are just ye ha nyame keke let's do the right thing say fi say ohono ti say the way obusa no ohono na siltation level no akosoro anwa ayemu ma yempe kwan a ye be yi anwa na efiro ba until say be yi anwa na de nsuo to a the place will continue to fly debi ameka me see nsuo se ne kwan nie na wo pe another route man na obekọ onhaw but se o block ni route na oboa ono a nsuo nso de nsuo ho de na se o pese ohun nsuo ho de as ohun the way a tsunami etie it me a whole building a whole community na flatten community within some few minutes or hours enti yemma enu hia e na yem push assembly no na omunye de e wo so omunye because sometimes you see siltation aye kan abuabu storm drainage na say de me hu se nsuo to amenyante ho asem because omu be yi anwa no but yeyi na ye send the gu drainage ne nkyɛn a sɛ adwo nsuo tɔtɔtɔtɔ a ɛsan atwi ne nyinaa kɔ back ɛba saa na akɔ sinante because saa nɔɔma wɔ ɛnyɛ sika ketewa ɛna yɛde o sɛ dredging sɛ yɛyɛ de silting ɔmo wie no ɔmo ka cost ne kyerɛ wa ɛnyɛ sika ketewa but then every day year in year out we keep recording and the area ne say baby okra na 5 years 10 15 years ago na enye flood prone area but because of your human activities enti no you see oh aha me betina 15 years ago na ohom flood na moment na de flood
enye wo obi na akose
exactly
obi na akose
obi timi ko ye ayi construction wo baby na nyinaa no yeah because me say onim say usi dan wo nsuo ho a apart from say you be fine no you can even be jailed for it.
Oh yeah.
But we have engineers omutimi ema permit ema yesi ewo ho and these engineers here omo de ebia ne ebisi o Greater Accra e ko ya yegubu a Greater Accra minister ono from the okan no mi na ye goof because won say the obi e ne nye o si o me transfer na akonof as punishment
onko e hozo onko na
okon so okoma permit na ebio ade na
ba ni trim ni de wo de be ko ba bi foforo
enti transfer no ya fa transfer say punishment
engineers be 4 bi wo Ashanti region ha sa tag ni de o machi engineers 4 Asam bi o ko
na wo say na eduma no
ko bia no wo de o mo de sika di o manim o ma koje
enti na eduma na wo say ye gi free nsem because omwa ba o ka say what transfer na cheso omo na omo ho no it doesn't matter whether enough because kroma enim say udi boni aye do ko hard to reach areas maybe a network in but omo nso na we ask ourselves so into omo nso no omo deserve no ma papa na into omo di boni nko ana e pese e punish omo nko ana ye de brom eba sa we are not helping se nipa no yetimi a establish say the oye ye ne nye wa ye ne ya twe na so wa to aso ya ye third one se do na ejuma na na on pese obeye na ya die free ni nsem na ene de obekọ akoton bibi ana ono abekọ akoye na ejuma na wa akoye but yes sir year in year out year nja can flood yes
in the wisdom of KMA there's about 10-15 years ago and no more yes okay you making sure say benya sanitation court
your sanitation court yeah nanse kura say omako nanse kedeti ansem minim say at least nipa be
sending people to
be 15 bi there omodo omoko
it has been there but there's some people there
no but our court no
they use it that's what I was told.
Maybe it may sound controversial.
Okay.
But let me say this.
Just few seconds.
No,
Ghana
mra. Ghana mra. Edini ene ho ahi. Eni ne wafo mra.
Mamenko ayimra. Asante mampon. Ensuo na enna no to ye nso ekose kwan twi fa kwan finfin no. Yane the MC for the area. Honorable Yakubu Yusuf. Asante mampon. MC ma ne nim komo ne hwe ba bia akwa kodru e ba ya ye hui mirika sade ya kan ya o mo de mirika koi akosi sen chief ma me mo ache mo akwa ba
ya me joso
na Asante mampon te sen
ya tom boko
ya di free ensu ato na no that was on Monday Emma, it was Sunday and anajo ne nso no to ya ye di remu Monday. Emma kwan a e connect Faza Asante mampon ne adura e kwan no mu chemienu. Mami musa akwasi sen e de anamo na matu sesei.
Yo, me da so be me share what you for you na. Ya me adom adena ye no me na enafo na wo bi nko na wo bi aba na wo ni me dura yi a once I saw that said that ya nimi ya me adoma next week ya ana to pona banasa more, yeah, very friends last market. Into last market, and now more, Sabi, no, Ecobar, into that, hard to the quick love much, and I'm a young and I'm a mobilizing a man, so now what as an alternative means, yeah, you bet to be a mark, Bamufono, Etina, Corso, now, or Mark. The machines in the point. Luckily, all contracts are now more waterman somewhere 2024. Now, what they have work about the group is now I hear diversion. And you use to some wouldn't be at the failure. So, it should be to me from a tree up or other with a wonderful boomer to commit them to the better up from I don't know, yeah, they to be a good top with the engineers of war or the highway engineers of war and municipality or and the roads engineers. Actually, it wasn't easy that the about to make a temporary road at the Ama. Nanika Samson say, no, at the and Yakapa regional minister, a boy or reaching out to the road minister, our mama contractor, and no, and a contractor about on regional highway engineer, and then a deputy, and then pending for but municipal highway engineer to a million and my contractor. Contract also as a Yamia to my that in the machines about now we're to about the share to and we pass on the fair and then they that's where Nana or Sable to a year the third one so and then intended for as a mainly doable na young corner havoc person.
But Chief, yes, but the point is that Adie who say ABC because I remember so last year there was a poster minister March 2025. Our cancer the attention has been drawn to this development and say sa area no bugum inti highway for ne. So what happened? I didn't see the bedroom half in can roads and highways. Nanamo Kohako heard the havoc. Any day. A free hin na bedroom hey.
I mean, I then started somewhere 2023 and the 2024. I am saying about to and over the ma a contractor. Over the ma a no affair show. Over the ma contractor or back side to the kaka or say abandoned him. Most of the project on the mind, and most of it normally a election year. And I'm saying the car arm chart or Obama mobilization. The Papa Katana day, the man Kata, the Kata, I'm saying, yes, we're Baba Mono, now, yes, Kata. That I also Anna and Mano, I know, and I delay project about from Sunday. And I know one terminating contract in the influence. A job of terminating contract influence. A very day that over to me, a jump from contractor A to contractor B. And the night that Rame or Fanny Bobo to them are there. I see a Ama was a exactly measure to take another a new contractor at the Abasula.
And the contractor and man or started a bang. And how long now contract more near the same duration quality of work?
I didn't see now a friend corner regional highway engineer. I'm not message master. Wow, for the paperwork. So the paperwork, they will sound so far not related. And I'm next week. They'll fresh with the paperwork. Now they give it to Atlanta Joe for so Yamamo. The when there because it's emergency. Happen mano. What's our baby Jinaso? Now one year a Juma once a year the paperwork.
And the contract and best Satia Juma and Sana, paperwork.
So yes, tonight for 1 year paperwork at a month for every. It will be wise for him to start before the paperwork.
But are we aware of costs? And it's animal because in this animal you have paperwork. Okay.
But I don't know, Mama, it's a maximum of next week. The paperwork will be done. And maybe someone say, paperwork is ready, no. Or the I don't know, daddy, I don't if you want to
Nti macho contractor be na age san hye ya tomu yi.
Contractor no the your friend of Mr. Yusuf, but the name of the company Nakao Company Limited.
Why adwuma why adwuma wo kwa no so pen ana.
They of one area or how do we adwuma, but I think that because of identity will break it how do we know about.
But I understand, Chris, apart from Sa Bridge, when there's another one, a one and Nimu and also so Abu Agum. Oh, yeah, where on the same stretch. And Obi report to my say, apart from where I see a similar one, Ewo Kwanoswa, and also so I say, Yahweh and also Bebu Agum.
Well, I've heard a similar one, but I know the name in pressure, so I might not be able to speak to it. Almost a farm area, I don't know a area, but. I wish you saw me with a plan so I had and so at the Baba, a could have an Eddie guy decided to a geographical Tanasi and the highway engineer for the now moment and also so almost any money also or more about now better.
What is the arrangement? What is the arrangement? A bear affected commuters or more and Nam so. What is the arrangement?
Maybe for now, dear, cast a clock, a back, the empire is a member, so and some talk a set and young.
Now, some pie boy in Sudia, baby, a dream and empire bossamo, chief. Baby, a dream, yeah, hang out upon too much. Where's the commander say on season soto? Wow, no, Obi Pevidia, a cabbage. I would run it to my quite so. Kofi ase kwan so amanfo do nyado ho mo pensuo de ado nyado wo se ye bom pa ese mensuo nto chief
daddy o don't misquote me see in sukafie no ye mom pa ese anyimo ya kasa ya kase ensuo de some come no kasa me ku ni no pa je te mensuo nto mensuo ne de bibia e to bruso so I think we started this year. I so it's as a people. When you super power and the anything about maker. There's not a moment all the worker about it.
Because system no muna moa na mu I mean more engineers say oh then almost so you be catch a highway for not timely. Yeah, who the bit I mean you're failing Crawford, you're failing because now I was told to say ja egui.
Baby, maybe will be of them for supervisor and relative. 5:15. I was there.
But a Janu and Master the Uncle for person who say Janu.
Janu by Fata, no, large matter to a Janu by who is a Bob and 30 to 11. Maybe be a financial. I know there was alternative route. Alternative route to the we have to focus on the no fire, no potato regulation, no potato to the no potato driver, but for a farm. So good one now.
But between the harness and Kofaha, distance in your pet.
Wow,
delay and it's animal and your pet.
A natural disaster. Natural disaster. Something that unpredicted. You understand? Yes,
anyway.
No.
Anyway,
something could have been done earlier. Yes, I'm not disputing that fact. The natural disaster, once we are human beings, there is nothing, or we cannot say that it can't happen. It's bound to happen.
And for now, we mean the duration, say, or the 1 month, or be covered. We answer na why quota.
Now it's like all contract. Wababa ye comment diversion comment about a check why back about
new one is the normal say our baba feel not diversion cast now for the no idea that we are able. It's well old one every kind of diversion of it.
Okay, so now we cannot talk about cost, duration, any the aka because paperwork no. Afe and mobile baby. All right.
Yes, please.
Chief, yeah, that's it.
No, I've never acquired the family any long for any two more baby. Marfo drivers from Marfo to Kumasi. Among quarter, year more from 20 cities to 25 cities. A future, young let there be official communicate from Council Ministry. If you haven't visited that, because of that, you are almost on the edge. Almost other 2 years, almost no way. There are 5 years and a month. 3 years and a year. 3 years and a year. Okay, not for prayer also, and now you're almost and then so we'll be on the members and it's also over for 25. 30 times, you know, and more fun. Our more about it before prayer also, they should go back to the old first.
Right. Emrano mo mufanya adwuma. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Ebusafo ma bin twa mo homra. Na ye ntoa so. E ba yi here.
Branch elections now open. Udusa party nhihye mu no. Yesi tua no. Yesi ye fa ho ka from day one ekopem 1 year. Mini asanto ase ya fa ho ka nyina ye betia. So yesi mamo ayiko. Momode mo ene mumpuntuo ene ne amonye makokuduro a mode gina NDC achi wo fo wukromo no ye ni sododo enti enne mi efiabreye osem mini Akoma asanto ase afi eye branch elections a eba abekoso no ye pese ye nsusu ye ni wunyina che eka ebeba na ye fa ana empo ye fa ho ka ebe nyina enti ye sesem e once na se oni hwe kra no opepa ni nsem enti we say branch elections are ever custom on the 2nd of May. The women say May so a year and ma yeda our for yeda and no yeda obe May order. It's answer so minimum na ye celebrate and mark could do for me to sell and name. And see, in the month of May, 2nd May, we call a branch on the mouth to Abana. Now we pick a form, say, Uncle Gina for women organizer. If you are or say, Minimum bar asantoa, yes, see a tower chidubu. And see, a dear quiet, the yamo who see a tower chine say. O branch elections now open. Udusa, party in Shishay Munum, yes, it's Yano. Yes, see a fahoka from day one, ekopim 1 year. And to say, Udus no. The party can say, won't pick forms not as women organizers. Now, we bet you 1 year due, sir. Many years and to see a fahu canina, you bet your mom. Since we are 6 months, sir, and also so you bet your mom. Now, we form registration fee a cahono, and also so many years and to say, ya fahu. Now, you say, name you. Shame, essence Mother's Day, no, after never. Okay, the whole year, you are the demo. Now, and all women organizers are moving our branch beyond. Yes, it's a contest. Let's say you're 2 of any now we a branch women organizer for that very polling station. Now, me if you're brave or say, you name me Akoma asantoa. Yeah, fahoka. It's your very embassy. It's every woman organizer beer or the winning a polling station beer and as a branch beer. Black. Nayan fa sika oboka no emma. Sika no and only reduce up to 1 year. Any registration form for Tiaka. Inna empe we now for the obatam pefia be many obatam packet wa ye say. We bring to ye that drink and who see empower women in Ofonko. Na ma na muka biwo. O si ahini ni etu ahini. Me mama yiko me mama mo. Ye da masini makukudu. Mudi agina yechi. Ye da mas.
Hello family, Genuine Dental Clinic. Ajina Tumono, Anetu Gratui, Sebano, Esia Juma Hodia, Gentleman Dental Clinic, and the Dimwa Kutne, Bra, Nanyama was saying that day, Antiapo, Nanya Fe, Abribia, Yadiabe from Fidia, Yadishasa was Sebatiapo, and Abeguya Sway, Saubaya Sway, Yanshimu, Ashadi Hawo, Nafe Yama Wakanche, and Nasa Nui, Opeso Siwase, and Nasa, Opeso Tuse, Opeso shall say gold, and Nasa Silver, Bra, Nayam Fidi, and who sing, and Yinkeka, what beer and Wumobia, Afe, Rana Binti, and Moabi, I won't say, and why you lucky, Nasa Opeso see a fita, and your Gentleman Dental Clinic, and I may come from out, Afe, Sekakayo, and Nasa will see a Chiahuna, Fabedaye, Accra, Mungwa, and Afe Atomic Down, Aflawo, your Echo Bank, Kabun sign them, Yanikana Commercial Bank, and the DMJ, Tamale, Tishigu, Yabe, MTN office ope, Yani Post Office, and the DMJ, Techima, Mazi, your Mazi, Quina, when you come market corner, Kumasi, Ubehuyen, Arabi Junction, Yabe Total Filling Station, and Afe Atonsu High School Junction, Traffic Nasewa, Freyen, 0549 906588, Gentleman Dental Clinic, Yabema will see a dear dance here.
Mami Ajua, besi yenko krum. E wasi yeko tuto bibia wudi beko senior high school anse mraso. Ma, oh be cranny. Let's you be brain. Na masanso suani mo juju. Enough for be home ya ife to me. Omo nyina di kan register edupak dada. Me besi metomo. Wosi o ma register eduden. Edupak. Na edi ensuno.
Prospectors Ghana and edi inshishi aba and a Ghana Education Service ajiatum. Among kwaleni ma eko SHS foforo. Na nsen die ebu hiase wo beku dwaso. Wo bedu school mo hono. O trunk, o mattress, o pillow, no chobox. E wo school mo dada e twen ho.
Sisi ya be ni say.
Ye hia no say. Ye be dial star 713 star 821 hash. Anasi ye beko abe from teen time www.edupakgh.com. We are true thing. What means so akwakutia ewo ADB branch bia ebeye. Ebonu so edafo. Awofo wo house nyina etwa. Edupak aba ama SHS ahobobo a ayemwe.
Right, I'm sorry for me that say, my memo akwaba. See, Angel Rock me shano so ye, bomodi so benyabi. So, na wow, bema ma uzisi ho so kama. Watinka kofem. Unya Angel Rock me shano. Usisi ya wo ya, bomodi so benyabi. Na open for 90 minutes. The amount of fun for the 90 minutes. Angel Rock me shano ewo pharmacy. Any herbal shops. Uko wa ubenyabi ato 0244-186-12 0244-832286. Na isi nkoma ye dia bedru hai Padaroma ede na nso woka ye no na edi djuma no uko Facebook flash grandpa maje bi akwaba na Alex Opokwenjo say Ibrahim mo submission ya na chese ama niema bejirejina ni video mu nti wose kwaso ana ne sa and I've been Jim Fancy say we also enjoy show no live Ojiani MC and minua Kofi Akosa. I say good morning, the only say on radio. Mo ye adwuma pa ye damase me che Van Sinkum. Ya sebe amokoma himfi I say great show. And I say Albert Safo. I say man now we interview no onye serious 1. Nyankopon ena Nyankopon ena Nyankopon ena Nyankopon enso so ye de tumi ama se fa ye adwuma. Sanso na besa Kovi I say good morning sir. Kemi boss on hoso said ye be can on hoso pa na onye adwuma ni yie na ye nyina so ye hwe and afin so menua guessing banga mo nyina mo de wa ha mame ma wo soso mremu na so beka bi na ye nyina no ye nkyekere man no so ho ye moa ye nso ye nkyere ya adwen ba wudi fon so a gitum so so di fo na obama mame fa course ni mi wi ameba ho me ba ye munguso o de ma enfa course ni 0322498035 02431144 na se bo ma nyabotre ma ti for mrem why. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, Emilia.
Sir John. Me did say wa ko me ma mi tia me regional chairman na president tia Professor Bacha ko. From Spain na Emilia, and
then Chiano Mislawa, nam,
John, in fact, must say, Papa. If Kumasi fine, in Ethiopia, na so much, John. You said, as I'm speaking with you, that's and a traffic. I mean,
and so no, actually, for Mama Quantum.
Nina make catch a woman, some master fine, estimating master fine. I have a I say, pro drivers, no means you fine, so cramp no more or the apple. And then
me backwana so me backwana so.
And you mean for you, fine, frankly speaking, much more like
hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Uncle Kwesi.
Uncle Kwesi, you know.
Uncle
Daddy, Lieutenant Catcher from Manacaba. Now, someone all Kade, Kumasi, you want your friend. At least, Kumasi, a problem by sanitation. Therefore, I could get you there. And the bad now, that's the land of see. Why are you by the premise? Want to be any another young person you put him on the young Ankata say, Diabo. What's the man so being who had no duty? What's the man figure? Now, I come here, you need to be. Kumasi answer, but one, he did what's on the time now. I come and warning. Why came wanting on to me at the margin. I am for the way you're doing to wait to win that the man away. You're not walking one and people. Not company over and came over and when this man. No other what they are doing any day.
Okay, Uncle Kwesi, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, my beautiful brother.
Kwajo.
Sajong.
I'm in
I'm ready to go to Akota.
I'm in too.
The battle, Sajong. It's a Kurma Pancho, and can't for one.
I didn't see.
I think one of our Benu, Giano, I feel a bit judgment. Sajong. And then she told me, my role and your photo. Traffic. They say, okay, we say, what's a Kurma Pancho for the way Yama? It's also my opium.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
I'm Pastor Jamal, me do a market. I'm in Chairman of Professor Joshua Alabi. I'm in Chair Regional Chairman, incoming secretary. Professor Batanko. Sir John, a Todia, Yanankata, and my hotel. Now we can't let more simple money be like a woman will be a no more funny. So we are to be what you're teaching them with one for. Because I said the giants of her, we still identify kind of banner, which is a fire sunny, I find in Siomaka. No Cobrania Swam will be no Cobrania of Marfo, some of what die. Not a 2 year, no rabbi. Oh, this is the Yamama about one Seneca, because never do what Yanaka need to put with idea me and your ball as some oak, which I tell you, musical women, a cobble, and Najida Nakuma. Because what is so dear, the property to good at done, and you know, a fear now, which you call it, again, I'll come in with it. So I'm a channel, almost a camera. Because you need to tell me, maybe I do have Kakrak, I mean, you are not the new football and what the classes are, but you never be why, okay, this can you go to become a father, being and what your party partner is telling a footballer. No, for an enemy, so this is secure, and I'll call for Venezuela anymore. If you do not to vote, my dear, can't be message at my message. Ah,
good morning.
Hello, good morning, boss. The friend is Akode. I think West Line inside.
Okay.
On Hinami can say, more can say in you, the Confused dancing soon. Monko and San Estate, they are over campus gate to them. In soon, baby, in soon, a 12 SS in the battalion. Assemblyman over his science state, no, Nunu Wape, they were police station, the one I'm eating, Papa. In super, almost where the above Gumudi and the Kokugum airfield. We know Papa and China, nobody for Salman.
No, you see, the point is, what we are sure said the assembly member who a baby assembly. In Tiani, can't buy no one. Yes, say, boss, and we gonna pay a mom and penny, your mom and penny, your uncle from Wolfema. Who I was say, Onusu, the also who no Mram, Nano, Pemabu boss in Yamra. And ma local assembly no to me so to me stop a project baby a cost on enya or to me stop a project no enti baby a no and you see ma ban so but omo ye adwuma dey represent aban ɛwɔ ha no ɔmo na ɔsɔ ɔmo etu ho anam nti that is what we are saying.
Me condemn me o ben person me say assemblyman o in science to me ni mu pe the whole tisade na ekoso no timi kan say we dey eko
that's what draw attention to it. That's what draw attention to it.
Mo ni say no ho asem.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
The only thing on radio.
How was he?
Yamisha ba, but we do report na say Emilia the can say appointment say na appointment say I not on Emilia. So I want to
also meba Mr. Mempasi ebekɔ hɔ. Let's speak. You see, adeɛ no yɛnte ho ne o. Enti yɛnka ne yie. Wo de asɛ aka ne yɛnkɔ. Israel pa men diverting common. Why?
Say, me that say. Na kakra me kan say once soon as no. Ni pe bi na ya na oni wo mutimo. Omu wia no mo de sobo no e ko bo aban. Unim say nsuo to ayo nkofo bi a omo sobo na gu nsuo ni. Otubola ni gu nsuo ni na nsuo re twe bola no kutuku ba bi na nsuo ni giri a okay e na ban na nyi na tuma yi agba na kete. Say edum pempenso a yen ti mamufuo no say wo say yen so ye hwe kwan ye de fa say ayi ma yen ya boni ni ti no na boni na ye di ne e say o man.
Let us say good morning.
Good morning, Sir Don.
Yes, sir.
Sir Don Julius Agahwana can say.
Mini I am calling.
I mean, you can now as in your power, the Boakuma, Smana Santiment. I said, John, Chan Commudia, I was saying, blame me in a media, Menina, Ubia, if you win in a cover. Once I said, the one for issue, you would have my son, Ubia, the issue, ya can't, yes, late the year, let me tell you, so quite, so many women to me, so quite. Bayina ya ka to BBC etini kaniye se kan wiye na so no jaya o na nyina ya side na ebinu di enya obi si kan se adwan na wo di ni se onhwe na side ni nti ho kwan pastel yes re nyina timami fo na se wo na ko hu se de so yi aye ebinu pa na wo timi so bi nka obi afede se on stop side no pastel yan sre se timami fo no yes yenya se adeni si aye ba na ebere atia. Good
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Senior
Maharaj.
Senior Maharaj. Minti Chobia, the man, the regional chairman. Senior, one baby. Adia Yem Yapa, say, neighbor the city of Kumasi Central. I didn't time. Obia could just saw. Atiya skakese no bi timenim adi minama ono watonko ne che obi a waje so no na obi wiye susu a gota wenanim gota na choku na ono apọ wati aban be yi gota no sa asem we se no midunu wa mentiafe sa na oba anyimfo ekitigiti a we de se do anyimfo kitigiti no mbe bi a ye be ye di congestion a ye be prapra dum no otufo ankasa sanif se ba dum and to buy no organizing yourself, or move area to no more proper go them. Other why Indian China now. That's an unconscious committee. Now, for no more to me, a tongue as a thing like this can now, with Ababa you got about like any amount. None of us has about where they enjoy. We thought that here, Chabi, Media Umai.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sir.
Yes, sir.
Come here.
Yanko Pantum, that's why.
Yamma on the interview. Pedro, I, President Buza said, Subonkana, that one. I did I use as Subonkana to Hana, a so and so. Pedro,
go say.
France Subonkana, that one, Muye Brigino. The President Busa said, Ayana, a fidele Yituana, a soon in the Yisa, Subokanato.
But you didn't know Bisa other Roman.
Well, sir, I don't want to say, Nipa, oh, to Hormonobia, or Chassa, Subokana, no one says, Sidang. Now, Anya, Bagia, Afa, Fidina, or Chena, Tiaguna, or Feleho. Subokano, Yakubo, use Subonkano. Yakubo su ene yi sa su bonkano enye fidie na yi na wo so wait ma kusu no na wo akosi wa ofela ti dan but bibia ya o bo apanti so ntu wa timamfo na wo koye sa de no What didn't you say? Say John. I put some more at that one. Got an idea, and soon I got a I didn't know